So you're getting a little tour of the halls through AGD. Right now there's signs everywhere because it's our Sweetheart Week, which is a competition from all the fraternities to basically be an honorary member of our chapter. Yeah. These are old composites. So old Alpha Dams, 1997. This is our house mom. That's where she lives. This is stuff that's left over from the bake-off yesterday. Can't have most of it because I gave up sweets for lead. Fun fact. Good morning, Yoshiko. This is where we do our dishes. Exciting stuff.